Hello everyone, I'm Martti Vanala from city of Kuopio. Here with me today is Retu Ylinen and we are presenting to you Data Refinery, a new smart city platform in Kuopio. We have a small 3-member team which includes me, I'm the project manager, then there is Jarmo Voutilainen, city's technology manager, and Retu Ylinen, our development expert.
Good morning to everyone.
And also we have cooperation partners which we have connected overall about 50 companies and almost 200 persons. They are really important to our project. And our budget is about €1 million ERDF funding, and the project lasts 2.5 years from January 2020 to June 2022. And our timetable is as follows. First, we have a call for tenders, then negotiations, then decision of purchase. Then we are building the actual smart city platform in next autumn. And our goal is that data flows through Data Refinery in January 22. Next, we are doing very much cooperation with our partners. Of course, the maintenance and further development all through the June 22 to 2050. This is a long-term project. Retu.
Okay, so for the 2.5 year project, our main aim or goal is to benefit from digitalization and to make better use of data from different sources. Mikko mentioned that you need to first recognize the problem you're solving. Our problem is that we often hear that we have a lot of data. Even within the city, we have a lot of data, and so let's just use it. But then there's the challenge of not having the necessary APIs and not having the necessary data models. So the usability of the data is poor in many cases. So with the Data Refinery project, we aim to make better use of the data in knowledge-based decision making and in supporting sustainable everyday choices of residents. So the project is not just for the city, but also for the residents and also for the businesses and researchers in the region. Also, we aim to promote low carbon solutions and circular economy, and we aim to build a platform for new businesses and new research and RDI activities. Next slide, please. So how are we going to do this? Well, firstly, we'll develop a multidisciplinary smart city platform named Data Refinery, and we want this platform to be able to gather, refine, analyze, visualize, and distribute data in a more effective way than what we can do today with the existing systems. Also, we want to make testing and piloting new smart solutions easier and therefore open up new possibilities for businesses and research and innovation. So that's the first part. Secondly, we want to test the first smart solutions in the new Savilahti district. Many of you know what Savilahti is, but some of you probably don't. So Savilahti is the next city district in Kuopio. So we're building a new city district. It's built around the existing campus area. there'll be new residential areas, and within the next decade, Savilahti will be a district for 35,000 people, workers, students, and residents. So this construction offers a lot of potential to test new solutions, and we're um, looking at these certain fields that we want to test new solutions in parking and traffic management systems, recycling, energy networks and renewable energy, water infrastructure and management, construction, and different services for the people in the district. So that's the second part. Third part, we are not developing a mammoth that will become a fossil in the next few years. Like Martti said earlier, we are aiming to develop this platform all the way until 2050. So we need to make agile development possible. So every time when we get the new solution to test, we can do that easily. Okay, and next I will let Martti go over the technical parts of the platform.
Here's our so-called block picture to simplify what we are doing. In bottom layer is sensors from many different owners, excuse me, uh, and above them there is edge computing, different service providers and city of Kuopio. Above that is ICT infrastructure managed by the city of Kuopio. Then comes the actual IoT platform, which we are building now during the project. Uh, uh, Also, we need big data solutions and storage. Primarily, we are using cloud computing, but we need also on-premise and our own servers. Then we are creating data analysis tools, and our goal is open data distribution and trading the data. And they are all collected together with APIs, open interfaces and integrations between different systems. And the city of Kuopio will be a neutral host with open interfaces and cooperation network. And our goal is that the companies and so on can use our data and create their own software based to the data which comes from the data refinery. And the goal is increase well-being and attractiveness of the area. And Retu, your turn.
Yeah, as you can see in the picture, we're looking to develop horizontal integration with this platform, and then if we go over just to what type of data we're looking into right now, if you can just them there, yeah. So right now we're looking into data that is related to the physical urban environment, parking data, traffic data, air quality, lighting, maintenance, and so on. In the future, we hope to see also other types of data, like, for example, well-being data is really interesting here, but maybe that'll require some development in the my data sector as well. But just to go over and give you one concrete example what we're doing right now. So parking data. We are looking into building this smart parking management system in Savilahti. So first of all, we need the connectivity, new type of ICT infrastructure, and we are building this microduct network in the new city district that will allow all the actors, whether they are businesses or telecommunications operators or whoever, to have all the necessary fiber optic cables in the future. So that's what we're doing. And then we'll have this data refinery on top of that ICT infrastructure. We have its core services there. And then in another project, we're already developing this intelligent parking management system. And even within this one system, one area, we have the need for integration. So we have 4 different actors who either have or will have parking facilities within Savilahti. So we're cooperating with them in order to develop this functional system where a resident or worker can see all the available parking spaces within the area from one place, and then see where is it possible to park, and how much does it cost, and what are the opening hours, and so on. So this one let's say pipeline will allow us to develop this user-friendly parking for the new Savilahti district. And this is something that we wish to widen in the future, and get new applications here. So the raw data moves in this picture moves from the lower layers up to the application layer, and then we get the refined data from the application for reuse also, and then it can be used by other applications.
In the first stage, in stage 1, we are building data refinery core services, which includes following parts. A context broker, what is a service that is designed to gather reachable context data of a variety of types, sources, and velocity. The core services includes also API management, capacity services, ID management, data model services, integration services, data storage services, and user management. And here is our 4 main goals to smart city platform. First is portability with help of container technology, and aim to avoid the vendor locks. And then there is security and data privacy. It is of course very important. City is going to be a neutral host in this platform, and we are trying to be open as possible, and also make this platform affordability. And we are creating an API ecosystem, so as many as can use our platform in future. And the end, we are constantly searching for new applications and use cases. So if you have any questions, any ideas, please contact me or Retu, and we discuss it and answer your questions. Any last words, Retu?
Yeah, I think that last slide summarizes the idea really well. So that was the core of the platform that we are acquiring. That'll be up and running, like Martti said, during the end of the year, early spring next year. And as we speak, we are also developing the first applications at the same time as we are developing the platform itself. So like Martti said, if you have new ideas, or if you see that there are possibilities for cooperation, please do contact us. Thank you.